Everyone, this is B. Rukmini Devi, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Degree College for Women, Begumpet. Today I am going to explain about adulteration of drugs. Before entering into this topic, just I would like to explain about drugs and crude drugs. Next, what is this adulteration? How many types of adulterations are there? I will explain in a detailed manner in this class. First of all, I want to tell you about drugs. What is drug? How this term is derived. First, we will know about this. Okay, drug means actually it is a French word. This was coined from French word that is called drogue. In French, drogue means dried herb. Drogue means dried herb. So, for what purpose it is used here? Here, drug means one dried herb which is intended for use in diagnosis purpose, or it is used to cure some diseases. It is used to treat some diseases. So, that kind of material or that kind of substance which is used to cure diseases, which is used to treat diseases, or which is used in diagnosis. So, that kind of substance are called drugs. Here, I want to tell you about crude drug. What is crude drug? Here, just now I explained about drug and origin of drug. That means what is the meaning of drug? How it is derived, from which language this word was derived, we discussed. So here, crude drug I want to explain now. Crude drug means here drugs may be derived from plants, animals, or some minerals. So the unprocessed plant part or animal product or mineral product, that unprocessed substance which is having medicinal value, that is called as a crude drug. That is called as a crude drug. That means here the unprocessed substance which is isolated from plants or animals, or which is collected from minerals, which is having medicinal value or medicinal importance, that is called as a crude drug. That unprocessed one is called as a crude drug. Majority of the crude drugs are plant based only. That means they are derived from plants only. Only few are derived from animals. Only few are obtained from minerals. So this is about definition of drug and crude drugs. Okay. Now I am going to explain about adulteration of drugs. Nowadays often we are hearing about adulteration of food, etc. So here we are discussing about adulteration of drugs. When this adulteration will happen, we have to discuss. Actually, these drugs are collected from forests. These crude drugs are collected from forests. When this adulteration will happen means, here while collecting these crude drugs from forests, or during the storage process, or during the transportation process, etc., this adulteration may happen. Okay, when this adulteration happen means, here while collecting these crude drugs from forests, during storage practices, or during transportation process, this adulteration may occur. So how these crude drugs are adulterated, we have to discuss now. How these crude drugs are adulterated. Drugs are adulterated because of human negligence only. Simply we can say that drugs are adulterated because of negligence of human beings. How these drugs are adulterated means, these are adulterated because of bacterial infections, fungal infections, or insects. Because of these reasons, these crude drugs are adulterated. So whenever this bacteria, fungi or insects attacks crude drugs, then the quality of the drug will be deteriorated. Quality of the drug will be deteriorated. For example, lycopodium, that is one important drug. Such type of drugs quality is decreased because of the infection of some fungal species. For example, mucor, penicillium, eurotium, etc. These fungi will grow on this lycopodium drug. So as a result of this growth of fungal species, some toxic substances are secreted. So the quality of the drug will be deteriorated. So like this, adulteration may occur. Some stems, that means which are having medicinal values, those stems are also damaged because of the presence of some helminthic parasites. For example, digitalis and belladonna, these are important drugs. These drugs quality will be decreased because of the presence of helminth parasite Trilenchus demastrix. Some drugs which are mostly seeds, it means different plant parts having medicinal values. Some stems have medicinal values, some roots have medicinal values, some plants leaves have medicinal values. So plant part, particularly seeds which are having medicinal values, these seeds are damaged because of the infection of some important larvae. Larvae will damages this kind of seeds which are having medicinal values. So what will happen when the drug will infect with fungi, bacteria or this kind of insects? What will happen whenever this foreign substances which are enters into the plant part which is having medicinal value, then quality of the drug will be decreased. So then that drug is adulterated. So drug adulteration means that quality will be decreased. Drug quality will be decreased. How can you define adulteration? How can you define adulteration? Adulteration means just the genuine drugs. That means genuine drugs which are mixed with some cheap quality substances or some inferior quality substances, or they are mixed with defective substances or fake substances or harmful substances, that is called as adulteration. How can you define adulteration? Adulteration means mixture or substitution of genuine drugs. How can you define adulteration? Mixture or substitution of genuine drugs with defective or inferior quality drugs or inferior quality substances or harmful substances, that is called as adulteration. When this adulteration may happen means whenever the drug price is very high. In such situations, whenever the drug is not available in sufficient quantities, at that time this adulteration may occur. Okay, what conditions leads to adulteration means the quality of the cost of the drug is increased, or when the cost of the drug is very high and it is available in very less quantity. In such situations, that kind of drugs will be adulterated. That kind of drugs will be adulterated. So in this drug adulteration, human involvement is very much present. So here, because of the human involvement only, these drugs are adulterated. So much of involvement of human beings is there in this drug adulteration. So here, suppose the drug is not available in sufficient quantities, suppose the price of that drug is very high. In such situations, humans adulterated this or contaminated this crude drugs. So adulteration is maybe two types. That means adulteration may occur by two ways. One is intentional adulteration, another one is unintentional adulteration. So adulteration may be because of two reasons, intentional, and another one is called as unintentional. So first we will discuss about unintentional adulteration. When this unintentional adulteration may occur means, here during the cultivation of this medicinal plants and during this collection of medicinal plants from mediators, whenever these merchants will collect this medicinal plant parts from mediators, those people don't know much about the medicinal values of those plants. So because of the reasons, cheap quality or inferior quality drugs will enter into market. So here, when this drug quality will be decreased, or when less quality or less whenever this cheap quality drugs are enter into this market means, because of some reasons. Generally these drugs consist some important chemical constituents. The amount of chemical constituents will be increased in one particular season and increased at particular time. So that drug will be collected during that particular season, during that particular time. Then only we will get fine quality drugs. Suppose the drug collectors, that means here some normal people, that means they are not having any knowledge related to these drugs. Whenever such type of people are collecting these drugs, if suppose they are collected these drugs in a wrong time or wrong season means, those drugs will not consist that kind of chemical constituents in good proportion or good quantity. So that is also called as adulteration. That is unintentional adulteration. That is called unintentional adulteration. Suppose one drug should be collected in one particular season and during particular time. Suppose that one is not collected like that. So that is called as faulty collection. For example, if I give one example or if I explain with one example means, you will understand this one very much clearly. That is colchicum plant stem and datura leaves having chemicals in high proportions during summer season. Suppose other than summer season these crude drugs are collected means, those drugs does not consist these chemical constituents. So that is called as faulty collection. That is called as faulty collection. Suppose these people who are involved in this collection process, that means crude drugs collection process, the persons are people who are involved in this crude drugs collection process, they are not having that much awareness about these drugs means, they will collect some unwanted plant parts also along with this desired plant parts which are having medicinal values. For example, while people they are collecting Rauwolfia serpentina roots. They may collect roots of some other plants also. So quality of this genuine drug will be decreased. These are examples for unintentional drug adulteration. Now we will discuss about intentional drug adulteration. Now we will discuss about intentional drug adulteration. How this intentional drug adulteration may occur. We will discuss now. Intentional adulteration. Here this may occur because of the following reasons. One is substitution with manufactured goods. Okay, suppose for example nutmeg fruits. These fruits are adulterated with some manufactured wood products. Okay, they are similar to that of nutmeg fruit shape. So here the original nutmeg is adulterated with this manufactured wood material. So in such a manner the genuine drugs will be adulterated. So that is one cause. Second one is substitution with inferior materials. How this will happen means, here drugs sometimes adulterated and substituted with substandard substances or inferior quality substances. How it will happen means, for example senna, which is having medicinal values. This senna leaves are adulterated with cheap quality dog senna leaves. Okay, next tragacanth gum, which is adulterated with some low quality gum that is called as hog tragacanth gum. Like that Strychnos nux vomica is adulterated with Strychnos nux blenda and Strychnos potatorum. So like this substitution with inferior materials. This is a second cause of adulteration. Next, third type of adulteration is substitution with exhausted materials. What is this substitution with exhausted materials? Here, after extraction of some important essential oils, those substances are sold in markets means that is called as substitution with exhausted materials. For example, cloves, fennel, etc. From these plant parts, some oil will be extracted. Afterwards, if they are sold in markets means that is called as substitution with exhausted materials. So that is third type of adulteration. Next, substitution with cheap natural substances. Here original genuine drug is substituted with some natural substance, but that natural substance is a cheap quality substance. For example, here genuine drug which is adulterated with cheap quality drug. Genuine drug is adulterated with cheap quality drug. For example, Japan wax for beeswax. Like that this adulteration will occur. Next type of adulteration is adulteration with non-plant materials. How this will happen? Non-plant materials, for example limestone, glass, etc. These are used. These are non-plant materials. These are used to adulterate this natural or genuine drugs. For example, how this will occur means, if I give examples you will understand very clearly. For example, pieces of limestone which is mixed with asafoetida, like that lead shots are mixed with opium, like that white oil is mixed in coconut oil, amber colored glass is mixed with colophony, like that adulteration will happen. This is called adulteration with non-plant materials. Genuine drugs are adulterated with non-plant materials. Next one is excessive adventitious matter. What is this excessive adventitious matter? Adulteration involves in the presence of excessive quantities of adventitious materials of the same plant. Okay, here same plant but unwanted material is mixed with the genuine drug, that is called as excessive adventitious matter. So here excessive amount of stem in the leaves of stramonium, so that is example for excessive adventitious matter. So here caraway and anthium fruits are mixed with other parts of inflorescence. So this is an example for excessive adventitious matter. Sometimes some synthetic chemicals which constitute one of the chemical constituent of the drug which is added to the genuine drug, that is another type of drug adulteration. For example, addition of benzyl benzoate to balsam of Peru and citral oil to oil of lemongrass oil. So like that this kind of adulterations will occur. So here synthetic chemical is mixed with genuine drug. So like that also adulteration may occur. So these are some ways of adulterations or some types of adulterations. How this adulteration will occur means like this, any one of the method, because of any one of the method this kind of adulterations will occur. So this is about adulteration of crude drugs. I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for your patient listening. With this I am closing this session.